I look like I belong in the Wild Wild West, circa 1890s. I just want to be a cowgirl. If women had rights at that time, would love to be in the Wild Wild West days. This vlog that I'm starting is like a secret because I'm starting this vlog December 28th, but you're not gonna see it till like January 14th. I did not want to tell anyone that I was moving because I have a tendency to overshare, and then if something doesn't go like I said I was gonna do it, because I change my mind a lot, I am so impulsive, and then you guys are like, what happened to this? What happened to this? Do you still like this, this, and this? And I'm like, ooh, I shouldn't have announced my plans until they were in motion, done. I know I'm gonna get the obvious question, what about New York? I really wanted to move to New York. I'm not ready to make the jump yet. I know that some people are like, it's not that big of a deal. But to me, like, to leave my friends and my mom, who I'm really close with, and to go out there and have to make new friends, even though I do have friends that live there, you have to build those relationships, and I just don't want to leave the comfort of California right now, if that makes sense. I feel like life is so drastically different there, and I'm just not prepared for it. I'm not even prepared for 50-degree weather. Like, look at me. Oh, I need some time to toughen up, vibes. I also need to work on my mental health so bad. So I'm just, you know, having a weird moment. Anyway, that is so off topic, but I moved back to the place that I used to live because, for one, I have to get a new car because my car is done. My car was paid off, so now I'm adding on a car payment, higher insurance, and I'm like, look, for what I'm paying to live here, I'm not getting enough out of it to justify paying that and then adding on like 2 more payments. So I'm moving to the 2-bedroom floor plan of the apartment before my last apartment. If you've been following me, I lived in this 2-bedroom. I'm moving to that floor plan, but on a higher floor because lighting is just everything to me. And I thought that this apartment would be brighter than it is, but it is really dark all the time, except for my bedroom. That makes me so depressed. I don't know why, but light really affects my mood, and I just need to be in constant light airiness. Hence why I'm going back to that style of apartment. I know moving does not fix problems that you had before you moved. It just feels like to me, I'm letting go of the past and I'm starting somewhere new in 2022. Love that. I just like moving, so I move all the time and I do not plan on stopping. So if you know me and you want to keep following along, I will probably move every single year. Plus 22 is my lucky number. My birthday is on February 22nd, 2022. This just feels right. If only I was turning 22, but nah, I'm turning 24. All right, I'm having a midlife crisis. This year is just about me getting hotter, being a better person, being more funny, smarter, better, faster, stronger. That's the vibes for the new year. Anyway, after that long ass rant, let's start decluttering the apartment. This is the current situation going on. It started out organized and then look. Does that look easy access to you? This one I'm actually embarrassed to open. That's all I'm gonna open. I just throw shit in here now because that's what I did. But yeah, let's go through that one first. I'm watching Tag play Red Dead because I restarted playing Red Dead 2 again, even though I just got the Call of Duty Vanguard, but I've been in a cowboy mood lately, so I wanna play Red Dead.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning.
Come on!
You don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna?
Okay, so I'm very happy with the decluttering that I did. So in that back container is all restock products. So any doubles, cotton rounds, cotton balls, all that. This is stuff that I reach for almost daily. Actually, yeah, daily. I reach for this stuff daily, so it stays in there. And then that's just daily stuff that I didn't have room for in that. So my daily moisturizer, dry shampoo, sea spray, and my toner. I don't use those 2 daily, obviously, but they're there. And then in this one, we have skin products, but not tinctures, except for that one, because that's gonna go in my medicine cabinet. And then over back there is body stuff, so like sunscreen, lotion, bath stuff. And then this one is for hair, and it's so clean. And then we have no products here. I've only kept things that I truly want to try out. My ThredUp package came in the mail, so I'm gonna do a little thrift haul for you. I scored some gorgeous pieces. I wanted to thank ThredUp for partnering with me on this vlog. And if you don't know what ThredUp is an online thrift store. They have over 40,000 brands. There is so much to choose from. Seriously, it's the best place to thrift. And they add new styles every single day, so you're always gonna find something cute. They have items up to 90% off retail price, so let's get the bill per. I don't know why everything has to be a TikTok reference, but it does. Obviously, I have a little discount for you girlies. If you guys use the link and code in my description box below, you can get 30% off your first order and free shipping. I did some damage and I found some gorgeous pieces. Oh girl, this first item, I could not believe that I found something like this. I always knew I wanted a coat like this, but I've never actively gone to look for one, and I never really see them around. But this coat, girlies, this coat, you can see the fur collar. It's a trench coat. My vibe for this is I would wear a nice nighttime dress and then some heels and wear it to dinner, anything night related, and you just show up to the function looking bougie and just gorgeous. It just screams, I look better than you, you know? It's from BB, and let's look at the price. I got this $100 off its original price. Oh, I can't believe that's even legal, babes. I got it for $45.99 and it was originally $149 per. And then I get to say, oh, I thrifted this. I thrifted this vintage coat. It's vintage BB. Then the next item that I got matches it so perfectly, and I didn't even realize or intend to do that. But these heels, they would look so good with the coat. I'm actually throwing up and crying. I have to go to New York now. I have to go to New York so I can wear that outfit. I have acknowledged that I don't like color in my wardrobe unless it's a dress, but there is one exception. I love blue button downs. I don't know what the vibe is. I like to wear them to sleep, but sometimes you just look really put together and professional when you wear a blue button down. It's inside out because I already wore it, so let's just ignore that this is happening right now. So close your eyes. This is the first button down that I got. This just screams I'm put together and I know what looks good and I'm mature. I got this baddie for $4 and its original price was $70. I'm really doing good. This next one is just so Hamptons. It's giving me Hamptons, Gossip Girl. I love it. This one was another steal because I got it for $4 and it was originally $55. Next, I got this top, and it's from Sabo Skirt, which is really cool because it shows that you can get modern brands, but discounted because it's thrifted and someone didn't want it. I don't know why you wouldn't want this top. This next item, I had two vibes in mind. One, Coachella, and then two, nighttime in the summer. Look at it. It's a fringed lace long sleeve. It's a wrap top, so it's a V in the front. Like, it's giving Coachella, it's giving Stagecoach, but it's also giving multi-purpose, so you can use it in the summer. Like if you're going out for dinner after going to the beach, you just throw this on. The last item that I got is the most shocking discount in this entire haul. I know, more shocking than the $100 discount, but I got this Alice and Olivia dress. There is an actual tag on this still from Bergdorf Goodman, and this dress originally retails for $330, and I got it for $55. I think it's kind of a game to see how much of a discount you can get on certain items. That's why I like doing it online, because I can see like the retail price and then I can see what it actually is going for at ThredUp. I think I won this game today, besties. I think that's a pretty good haul. I love everything. If you guys are in the mood to thrift, I will leave my link down below along with my code so you can get 30% off your first order at ThredUp and free shipping. So go buck wild. Now let's get back to the moving vlog, vibes. I went grocery shopping, so I'm gonna do a little grocery haul, and then today I just am decluttering and packing because the move it's imminent, like death. What? I went to good old Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. You know what it is. Let's start with Whole Foods because I always start with Trader Joe's. You already know two of these baddies. They have like 5 ingredients and they're a healthy way to eat chips. I swear I'm not an ad campaign for Siete, but if you want to sponsor me, I'm not gonna complain. Then I got the Bonza plant-based mac and cheese with chickpea pasta. I have a hard time finding gluten-free mac and cheese that's also vegan because I'm allergic to all nuts except for peanuts and almonds, and vegan cheese is usually made with cashews, but this baddie is not. I know that mac and cheese in a box is not healthy, but I am taking this year to just be nicer to myself. Stop holding myself to impossible standards and start realizing that life is, I would rather be happy and eat this than be so strict with my diet and want to die. So that's just what I'm feeling for the new year. I'm just taking things slow. I am not forcing myself to be a different person overnight. I'm trying to just be the better version of myself, taking all this year to do it. You know, that's the vibe. 2022, my golden hour. What? Favorite number is 22. My birthday's on February 22nd. Oh my God, my birthday's on February 22nd, so it's 2/2/22. And it's on a Tuesday, so it's a Tuesday. Oh, the energy is so good. I'm the main character this year, I really am. Anyway, that was a lot for mac and cheese. I got herbs and shit, nobody cares. Oh, I got an herb garden. I got that for Christmas, which I haven't used it yet because I'm just gonna move it to the new apartment. And then when I do, I'll show you guys and plant everything on the vlog. I'm so excited because I kill plants outside, so it's good to have something indoors. Then I got mandarins because I don't know. I have never in the entirety of living alone bought mandarins, but I was feeling it. I went to the grocery store and I was like, you know what? I could go for a nice juicy mandarin right now. Maybe I was just thirsty and I wanted something fresh. Another unhealthy-ish thing, but it's from Whole Foods, so how unhealthy can it be? The immaculate organic cinnamon rolls with icing, and they stopped selling my gluten-free chocolate chunk cookies. I have been looking at Whole Foods for the past month. If they discontinued my favorite cookies, I'm gonna cry because what do I do now? I have to bake my own cookies? That's ludicrous, you know? So I got cinnamon rolls to kind of suffice that craving, I guess. Then I got some booch. I got my favorite brand, which is GTS. This is the Synergy Raw Kombucha Golden Pineapple. I am in a very fresh fruit mood. Maybe I'm just ready for hot girl summer. I don't know. We got the booch. I also got 2 juices from Pressed. I finally went. If you watch my vlogs, you know that it's been cold, so I'm like, no juice for me. Mango turmeric lemonade. I've never had this. The girl recommended it because they were out of the orange turmeric. And then I got my favorite greens 3. So this one just has apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, spinach, ginger, kale, and parsley to boost the immune system. Oh, also, I have come into contact with 2 people who have confirmed COVID, like full-blown Miss Rona, and I tested negative both times. That vaccine's doing her job. I'm proud of my immune system in conjunction with Miss Rona vaccine. Like, go off vaccine, not you doing your job. And then the 2 people who had COVID, they weren't vaccinated. So I think that's funny. Not to get political, but I don't think a pandemic or science is political. Anyway, back to grocery shopping. Wow, there's a lot going on. A lot going on. I'm just trying to show you my grocery haul. Okay, Trader Joe's. First thing I got, bananas. I don't know where I'd be without bananas. Let's give it up for bananas. I got some asparagus, my second favorite vegetable right now. Also got some wine, some Sauvignon Blanc, and then I think I got another Sauv Blanc. Oh, it's Pinot Grigio. I don't drink these wines. I use them for cooking, and one is for my mom because she wanted me to pick her up some because she likes to cook with wine. Also, it's good in pasta, it's good in chicken. There's so many things that you could make with wine. I am so gonna miss my wine fridge when I move. It just makes more financial sense for me to leave this apartment. They're raising my rent by $1,000. Let's just grasp that one. And a new car payment, like no. That's just, it's really stupid to throw away that much money for a wine fridge and some filtered water and a guard gate, you know? Probably New York next, who knows, who really knows? Next up, I just saw this one and I thought, yeah, I wanna try this. This is the jalapeno sauce, a spicy and flavorful sauce made with fresh jalapenos, avocados, and then some broccoli. And that is really everything that I got because I am just trying to eat what's in my fridge before I move because I have some things in there. I can make some meals. I just wanted to get like kind of the basics.
Hey, you got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can.
I'm in completely different clothes because it's the next day. So yesterday I decluttered this cabinet and then I forgot, bestie, you're moving. You have to also pack it. So I'm gonna pack this cabinet first. If there's one thing my mother taught me about moving is that you can fit small boxes inside of bigger boxes, and for like delicate things, pack them in a smaller box, super safe in that smaller box, and then inside of another box, so it's just...
I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can.
Yes, I'm in a parking lot. Gonna get a tripod with like suction cups on the dash because I can't drive with this. It's gonna slide everywhere. But I am in my new car, besties. So I just went to Starbucks and my mom got me a Starbucks gift card for Christmas and I think that's so cute because she's like, I noticed you go a lot. Thanks, bestie. So this is my order today. I got a grande iced dirty chai with oat milk. Gives you the energy, low-key, because I get 2 shots in it. And then the goodness of the chai. I'm wearing this jacket again and then this shirt says like angel or some shit. I love this jacket. I have gotten a compliment every time I've worn this jacket. I don't know what it is, but this is the magic jacket, you guys. You need to get it. It's from Storettes. I will link it below. I used to have a Mercedes GLK 350. They stopped making that. I had her for 6 years, I want to say, since I was 18. She was breaking down on me. German and expensive cars after 100,000 miles just... they cost too much to repair and they need repair so often. And it was gonna cost like $6,000 to get everything I needed for my GLK to get fixed. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take that 6,000 vibes and I'm gonna get me a new car. I don't know why I'm telling you about car financing as if you care. Maybe if you wanna buy a car for the first time. I don't know. Nobody cared. Nobody asked. Nobody asked. Anyway, so I got a C300 because I thought, why not change it up and get a sedan? Oh my God, I was meant for sedan. I didn't know how much I loved fast little cars. I always drove so fast in my mom car. Like getting a speeding ticket in a SUV is embarrassing. Now I got a little sleek, black, beautiful, gorgeous, show-stopping, never the same sedan. I don't know why I'm sitting here talking about cars for so long. I don't think anyone cares or asked, but you know. I also need to film a what I eat in a day, which I'm so excited about, and I'm partnering with Lifesum on that video, which is the app that I use to track like my macros to see how much I'm getting of each macro, like protein, all of that. So I emailed them and they wanted to do a deal and I was like, purr! So finesse your own deals, besties. Pitch to brands that you like. Pitch yourself, always, and don't be afraid of anything because even a no can turn into a yes. That's the sitch for right now, babes, and yeah, I will see you at home. That would have been real shitty if this wasn't recording the entire time. Okay. Look how sexy she is, all black interior, and then look at, I just plug my phone in and all of my apps and everything is on here. I can use Siri to add reminders, to talk to that bitch, to get GPS, and I see my text messages up here, so they read them to me and I can respond via voice. Like, purr, I've never had such a technologically advanced car. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous girls, love Mercedes. Okay, vibes, home now. I gotta stop with the accent. Actually, I don't want to stop with the accent. I decluttered my entire wardrobe yesterday, and that is going to be its whole video, but you're going to see that video before you see this one, so I will leave a little card so you can go watch that video. I am going to pack the bookshelf now, tackle the books and go through them, declutter. I never get rid of books, so there's not much to declutter there, but I'm going to pack that up right now. The books that are backwards, before I used to do it for aesthetic, I still kind of do it for aesthetic, but also books that I'm embarrassed of, kind of. When you come into my library, Twilight, I know it's a classic. When people come over, they don't see like 50 Shades of Grey and the entire Twilight series. I should get rid of this book, Lola and the Boy Next Door, because I never read it and it's a YA, so like high schoolers, as I'm like 90. Sarah Dessen, Along for the Ride. Never read it, YA, so I missed my chance for those. Sex and Rage, I don't like the book, but I keep it because Sex and Rage, that just sounds fucking cool. I have a 1950s edition of The Odyssey. I treat this like a baby, it's so cute. Let's get the bill per.